For the first time in history, people all around the world will be dancing at the same time for 3 minutes. Something like this has never happened before. People in Montreal, Dhaka, Delhi, London, everywhere will be dancing at the same time. During the time of the pandemic, this is something we really need. We all need to be united. So, in the global dance movement, we're all going to unite together. We're all going to have fun wherever we are in the world. The timing is September 1, 11 a.m. Pacific time. So make sure for that you enter your name and your email address below. Just as you do that, you're going to get a free course from me on Introduction to Creative Women Therapy. Something like this is going to make history, so make sure you're a part of it. I'll see you inside the course. Take care. In the global dance movement, everybody from all around the world will be dancing at the same time. Hi there, I'm holding a 2 days free webinar on Creative Women Therapy. Anybody can join in. It's all about finding happiness through movement. It's all about curating the perfect life for yourself, finding joy in creating beautiful moments through movement. When you click below, you will also get a free course from me on the introduction of creative movement therapy, where you will be able to find much more in details about it. At the same time, a, an event like at the same time I'm holding an event unlike any other. It's the global dance movement. In this event, everybody